All right guys, so I just got my Oedro tonneau cover delivered. We're gonna go ahead and do a review and install. So we'll go ahead, look inside the box here. And then this is going to be a quad fold hardcover by Oedro. I kind of like. All right guys, so we'll go ahead and take everything out of the box here. So let's go ahead and install it in the truck. All right guys, so there you go. Review and install of this Oedro quad fold hard tonneau cover. Really nice tonneau cover here. I like it a lot. Good build quality, easy to use, easy to install.